Hello everyone, welcome to Teachmint's YouTube channel. I am Anagha and today we'll be talking about the 4 C's of teaching. Before moving on to the video, I request you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. It is said that teaching is the art of assisting discovery. To ensure that this is effective and efficient, teachers need to practice a few things. And today we'll be discussing about the 4 C's of classroom communication. Without further ado, let's move on. The first C of teaching is communication. Communication is the exchange of ideas, messages, topics, concepts, etc. Now, the biggest problem with communication is the idea or illusion that it has happened. More often than not, classrooms become monologic in nature, and that's not how it should be. The communication should be two-way. The teachers should ensure to create a rapport with the students by communicating with them. Only then the teacher would be able to come up with lesson plans and strategies that would cater to the requirements of their students. This is why communication is one of the most important C's of teaching. Effective communication also helps teachers to clarify the concepts in a simple and concrete manner. It is important for a teacher to have good communication skills. Communication is not just verbal, it can be non-verbal also. So in a classroom setup, more often than not, students might give non-verbal cues. We all know that students might lose their attention, lose focus and drift into a fantasy world. Teachers would be able to pick them up in a jiffy if their communication skills are on point. Now, how can teachers improve their communication skills or better their communication skills with the students? By involving them in teamwork, by incorporating interactive activities in the classrooms. This way the communication skills can be increased. Let's take a look at the next C of teaching, collaboration. It is said that the strength of a team is each individual member and the strength of each individual member is the team. The importance of teamwork cannot be stressed enough. Collaboration will help teachers to make sure that the lessons are carried out perfectly. Now, when we're talking about collaboration, we're not talking just about teacher-student collaboration. It is also about student-student collaboration and teacher-teacher collaboration. We had talked about teacher-teacher collaboration, which is co-teaching, in one of our previous videos. Make sure to watch it. So, what are the advantages of collaboration in the classroom? The learning will get more effective and simple. It also promotes the skill of listening, which is active listening would be more in the classroom. It also helps to lessen the communication gap between the teacher and the student. Moving on to the next C of teaching, creativity. Now, this might just be a paper for you, but for a kid, this might be a plane, a kite, a canvas and whatnot. The idea is to tap into this creativity. Creativity and imagination will help students to think in a very unique way, and this will help to make learning more efficient. Teachers should encourage students to be more creative. They can give them activities and games that would help them to think more creatively. The classroom environment must be one that accepts and acknowledges creativity. Moving on to the next C, critical thinking. Now, what is critical thinking? Critical thinking is the ability to analyze and observe a situation before coming into a judgment. So, both the teacher and the student must be able to think critically. It is up to the teacher to encourage critical thinking in students. This would help them to solve problems more quickly, not just the problems in the textbooks, but also real life issues. Now, why critical thinking? Critical thinking enhances curiosity, increases creativity, and reinforces problem solving skills. Critical thinking is not just a learning process, it is a life skill. And it's extremely important to make sure that there's room for critical thinking in the classroom. A classroom is not just about textbooks, syllabus and curriculum. It goes beyond all that. It is about the ideas that the students have, their creativity, imagination, concepts, life skills and much more. By incorporating the 4 C's of teaching in the classroom, you can make learning more engaging, interesting, and effective. Hope this video helped you. If you liked the video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more such videos, drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you.